What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 plus a day with a new simple copy and paste method. This is going to be one of the best ways to get started to make money online in 2020 and beyond. So to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you how to make $100 or even more per day here with a new simple copy and paste method. And I want to help you out to get started to make money online in 2020 and beyond. So I'm going to do this an amazing offer for you here today. What you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information I'm going to share with you here today. With that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, so first off I'm going to Fiverr here, and do not jump into any conclusions with what you see here because this is just one way that you can make money with this opportunity I'm going to share with you here today. Okay, so first off we type voiceover. So if I type voiceover, you can see that there are different price tags here for a professional voiceover. It starts from $5, but it can be like $100, $100, this is $70. This is in euros, so it approximately is a bit more in US dollars here, okay? 25 here, 50 and 145, this is 150 for Spanish work, okay? Pay attention here now. This is so cool. Now, how are you going to do voiceovers and sell voiceovers, you're probably asking, okay? Let me show you how simple you can do this with an amazing new software, actually two softwares here that is included. So let me just open it up here. First off is the WaveNet Vocalizer. I'm just hitting add new here. I'm taking a little bit of text here beside me. Let me see here. There you go, copy. Okay, so let's file name here, test3. Look at this, how many languages we have available. This is amazing, okay? And you can listen to it here. Let's stick with English. Let's listen to Ethan.
Hello, my name is Ethan and this season 1 I'm playing for the Giants.
Okay, so this is Ethan. We have female voices.
Long time no see.
We have Kate. Okay, let's stick with Kate here. And now I'm copy and pasting here the copy that I have wrote earlier here. I actually didn't even wrote it because I used the voice technique there for Google Docs. So create, okay, look at this now. In seconds we are ready to listen to this.
Today I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to make voiceovers with a simple copy and paste method. The opportunities are endless to make money with this. You can sell different voiceovers, you can add them to videos and make money with affiliate marketing and much more.
Alright, how cool is that? This is so professional. I mean, I've been working with thousands of voiceovers during all of those years, and I must say I was blown away by this software. I'm not very happy with this kind of softwares actually, but this was too good to be true. And that's why I wanted to share it with you here today. So if I go to the next software here, Newcast Vocalizer. All right, let's add a new here and let's do a test. We have once again, look at this, English US, we have Danish, Dutch, English, there are Australian, British, Indian, Welsh, Canadian. Let's do something different here. Let's go for Australian, for example. And look at this, we have Nicole, female.
Sample text.
Or we have Russell, okay?
Sample text.
So, we paste the text here again and I hit the create. It works pretty much the same way, and basically what these both softwares are doing, they're utilizing both Amazon and Google here. Okay, so it's processing, still processing. This takes a little bit longer, but wait till you listen to the quality here. There you go. Done in seconds again.
Today I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to make voiceovers with a simple copy and paste method.
The opportunities are endless to make money with this. You can sell different voiceovers, you can add them to videos and make money with affiliate marketing and much more.
Okay, so this was really super cool also. Let's go back to Mark here, for example.
All voices in this video were generated by newscaster vocalizers.
Okay, so if I just go here, update this file now, I'm changing to Mark here. So this is going to be a US voice. It might take a few seconds once again. But imagine this, okay, you saw the Spanish one earlier here for $150. You can do in Spanish here, for example, okay, you can sell voiceovers on alone, okay, but this is only the beginning, guys, so bear with me here. Let's listen to Mark here.
Today I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to make voiceovers with a simple copy and paste method. The opportunities are endless to make money with this. You can sell different voiceovers, you can add them to videos and make money with affiliate marketing and much more.
Okay, so let's go here for a female voice. Let's see what Sonia has to offer here. Let's listen.
All voices in this video were generated by Newscaster Vocalizer software.
Okay, so this is Sonia. I'm just going to click update here and I can do it. So we're talking about seconds here, okay? Now I have all of a sudden not only one voice, I have a female, I have a male voice, so you can include this in your package. You need to get started somewhere to sell it, well, offer it as a bonus and say that I'm going to give you just one, not only one, but a female and a male voice over in both included. I'm sorry, I'm so pumped here today I can't even talk.
Today I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to make voiceovers with a simple copy and paste method. The opportunities are endless to make money with this. You can sell different voiceovers.
Okay, so I'm going to stop there. You could hear the quality, okay? This is insane. This is really outstanding. So basically, you're saying now, okay, cool, how is that working? Well, you can see here that this is the Vocalizer Bundle 2020. It is launched now and it sells for an incredible low price here. So you have both Newcast Vocalizer, you have WaveNet Vocalizer, and you can see here that you can get this for less than 1/4 of the combined regular price. But I wanted to help you out, as I said earlier here, to make money online in 2020. So I'm going to do a unique bonus package for you here today, and I'm going to give you the opportunity of actually making videos also. Okay, think about this. You can get started to do videos, review videos, for example. Look at this Red Tea Detox review 2020, for example. You can do this kind of keywords, and you don't have to be in the camera, you don't have to record any voiceovers at all. You can do this professionally, and that's exactly what I'm showing in my course also. So let's have a quick look here first. We have the Vocalizer Bundle. You can have a look at this actually. I'm going to leave a link to you below here. You can grab this for $37, but you are going to get also, if you grab this through my link, of course, my course, which is Audio Video Mastery, and you can see here that you can create audio and video productions like a pro here, fast and easy. And if you have a look at my course here, I do emphasize on the course, on the audio here. And I discovered this by accidentally actually in Camtasia, because I thought that the sound wasn't so good there. So I found a cool twist which takes less than 60 seconds to improve the sound and make it 100% better. The truth is that a good video production is made by the sound, and the sound is 50% in a good production there. So there you have it, okay? But I actually expanded and created 10 over-the-shoulder training videos, and these are full-blown tutorials. I'm not just showing you this is how you copy, this is how you edit, this is how you cut, and so on. But I do show you complete productions that is uploaded and running, okay? So you can see here how I show you how to make a great tutorial video. Everything is shared inside here, plus a lot of tips and tricks on how you can increase your conversions there. Make a pro production to stand out. This is how to use footage, and this is probably what you're going to be most interested in. With this alone, with this alone actually, and the Vocalizer packages there, you are ready to rock and roll definitely 110% on YouTube, okay? you can actually create this kind of videos and sell the videos also on Fiverr. So there you have another method. I mean, there are so many opportunities here that you can do it. So if I just open it up here a little bit, you can see that these are step-by-step watch over my shoulder style videos. I show you exactly everything you need to get a complete full-blown production here. Now I did this with my own voice, but now you can have many voiceovers, okay? You can do the same video. Let's say, for example, this Red Tea Detox. You can do this in Spanish, okay? Do this in Spanish and upload it. So people will feel that it's much more comfortable to listen to their own language. Listen to Spanish, for example, Hindi, or whatever languages that are available. So do the same video, upload it, and you will rank it higher, and people will prefer to listen to that. And then, of course, they're going to grab it through your link there. Alright, so there you have it. I mean, there are so many opportunities here. They are really endless on how you can get started to make money online in 2020 and beyond with this and my unique bonus package there. Now, what I'm going to do, this is actually one more thing. This is a commercial license also, okay? $37, 2 softwares, plus my course Audio Video Mastery. It sells for $27, so you have saved yourself tons of money here, and you're going to educate yourself to make money online in 2020 and beyond with this. Alright, I'm going to leave a link below here, so you're going to find that. What you need to do is, this goes through ClickBank. What you need to do when you purchase this, you have to send the receipt to me. You're going to find the email address in the description here below. You need to send the receipt to me so I can give you access to Audio Video Mastery there. Alright, that's it. I hope you got some value here. If you did, smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. You're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation here also at my end screen. Alright, once again, I'm looking forward to see you succeeding with this, and I'm looking forward to see you inside my members area as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.